In this video, I share the fastest way to full-time income online. It's something you can do in as little as 30 minutes a day, even with no previous experience. Whether you are looking for a way to replace a job, be able to work from home, or create true time freedom, this video is for you, so stick with me till the end. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. I've been making money online full-time for years now. The money can be great, but what my wife Barbara and I really treasure is the time freedom. We have both the money and the free time to do the things we want to do when we want to do them, and it's awesome. Let me explain how you can do the same. It's probably easier than you think. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week to help you make more money online. It's information I know you'll want to have. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I do read and respond to all of them. Over the years, I've built several online businesses. I did network marketing, sometimes referred to as MLM, for years. And that was starting before the internet. And even after the internet came along, it took several years to build it into a full-time income. I got there, but it was a lot of work, almost like taking on another job, and it took continual effort to maintain the income level. It was something many could do, but it was a real grind. Even though the money was good, I got burned out. Then I switched over to affiliate marketing and everything changed. If you're not familiar with it, affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid a commission. There's nothing to inventory, no customer service issues. It's neat and clean. And with the right affiliate opportunity, it can be super simple, very lucrative, and take minimal time. And it's all done online. No phone calls to make, no bugging friends or neighbors. You do not need to talk to anyone. I'm convinced anyone can do affiliate marketing, no matter what your background. So let me tell you about one affiliate marketing opportunity in particular. It is my #1 recommended income stream. It's a unique company with 4 digital products, and I love digital products. They're simple to market, nothing to inventory or deliver, and the customer can get immediate access. But best of all, they can be very profitable. These 4 high-demand digital products range in price from $10 to $1,000, and each pays out 80% commissions. 80%. That means you can make as much as $800 on a single sale. But even more important is that 3 of the products pay out passive or recurring income too. That's money that can keep coming in month after month for the sales you make each day. Just think for a minute what it will be like to still get paid months from now for the sales you make today without any extra effort. This recurring income is a big part of creating full-time income. And using our simple but powerful online marketing system, you can build this business from wherever you want to be in just minutes a day. I even do it while I'm out sailing. And since it's all online, you can work whenever it's convenient for you, any time of day or night. Now that's time freedom. And to help you have massive success, we have excellent training and support. It's the best I've seen in my 30+ years in the home business industry. It starts with our unique quick start training to help you make money fast, literally before you learn anything, before you even set anything up. We have a detailed, simple to navigate training website with dozens of how-to videos that you can review at your convenience. They cover everything from generating a daily volume of traffic and leads for free to converting them into more sales. We hold daily live masterminds on Zoom, recorded if you can't be there live, and we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love it. I've never seen an online community like this. But maybe the biggest key to your success will be my personal mentoring and coaching. Here's your chance to work side by side with an industry leader with decades of experience. And this is all part of why many new people make money their very first day with us. And unlike so many other online businesses, we get paid fast too. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. No long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. Take a few minutes right now and let me show you how you can build a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day, even if you've never done anything online before. See, with our proven business model, it's possible to build a $100,000 per year passive or recurring income stream with as few as just 1 to 2 sales per week. I love it. I've never found anything else like it. To learn more about the fastest way to full-time income online and to start making money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.